Hello everyone! iOS 16 has just been released. And at the same time, Apple has also released iOS 15.7. As we all know, iOS 16 is very attractive, many new features. But why Apple still released iOS 15.7? In fact, iOS 15.7 was released for two purposes. First, to update security patches for older iPhones that cannot run iOS 16, including the iPhone 6s and iPhone 7 series as well as the original iPhone SE, etc. Secondly, and for users who do not use iOS 16 and do not want to upgrade to iOS 16 to get the security update. So I would still recommend iPhone 7 users to upgrade to iOS 15.7. After all, this version fixes security issues in Contacts, Maps, Safari extensions, shortcuts, and WebKit, which have a lot to do with our personal privacy. This is the most stable version of iOS 15, but it's actually similar to the past. In the months following the release of iOS 15, Apple did the same thing by making version 14.8 available for supported devices so people could delay updates without putting themselves at risk. By January 2022, the company stops updating iOS 14 and pushes all iOS users to update to version 15.2.1. So, maybe this is the end of the road for us using iPhone 7 in terms of update. If you need to change your device later, you will definitely need to transfer your data and back up your own data. Here I recommend you a very reliable tool. iCareFone is a powerful tool that can help you free backup your iPhone, extract iPhone backup, and manage your iPhone data like a pro. Go check the download link in the description and download it. Open iCareFone. Head to Backup. Restore. You can choose to back up all the data or whatever you need. Also, you can set the backup to any location as you like. Then click Backup. iCareFone will start to back up your iPhone. Once done, you can even view the backup data. When you want to restore, just click Restore to Device. It will start to restore. It is super easy. Okay, here is today's review for iPhone 7 and iOS 15.7. If you have any other answer questions, and let me know in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next videos.